Hi, I want to review the Developmental Literacy Lab syllabus with you. Our course description focuses on the principles and practices for facilitating effective development of oral language, thinking skills, and literacy acquisition in children grades K through 6. You will gain knowledge in practical classroom methods, instructional materials, and individualized strategies to facilitate literacy development through a balanced literacy approach with quality children's literature as the foundation of the curriculum. This is a lab course that requires direct interaction with the child of your choosing. Often, this course is taken with 3043, but that isn't always necessary. Our texts are the same as 3043. We have guided reading, responsive teaching across the grades, second edition by Fountas and Pinnell, and About the Authors by Katie Woodray and Lisa Cleveland. There are additional articles and videos online in each week on Moodle. This course will introduce you to the basic best practices in developmental literacy education. At the end of this course, you will have gained expertise with elements of a balanced literacy framework, literacy assessment and evaluation, and you've put that knowledge into practice with your lab student. At the close of this course, you will need to be able to synthesize your beliefs about literacy using information gained over the past 8 weeks of this lab course in order to create a case study. Online attendance, you need to post substantially at least once during the week in order to be counted present. That post may be a discussion forum, an assignment, any academic activity for that instructional week. In a course that is 8 weeks long, if you are absent more than twice, you are going to fail the course. As with all our online classes, the instructional week begins Monday at 12:01 a.m. and ends Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Initial video postings or assignments are required to be posted no later than Wednesdays at 11:59 p.m. And the follow-up postings, your responses to your classmates, are due Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Again, your final project, your case study, will be due on Friday, the last Friday of the course. The reason for this is if there are technical difficulties, that still gives you 24 hours to submit your work. I am not able to accept work after the last night of class unless an incomplete has been requested and approved prior to the last night of class. Late assignments, you will be given a 10% per day point deduction. Please make sure to review the course policies that are found on Moodle. Here are our course objectives, which I'm not going to read them to you. Our grading scale. This first rubric is what will be used to score your case study project. It's worth 100 points. You need to make sure that you have included everything in the advanced column to gain maximum points. A great idea before submitting is to take the rubric and self-assess your project. I want to point out, to get maximum points, you need more than 5 research-based sources cited in addition to our course text. So more than 5 is 6. Our course text will be 7. The lab video rubrics. You're going to be posting your videos on YouTube, and they must be posted by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. For each day that an individual posting is late, 5 points will be deducted from the total points for that week. All lab videos are worth 40 points, with the exception of the intro video, which is worth 20. So please make sure that you do an intro video of yourself. The videos come to 260 points, and each week has a different rubric, and that is posted on Moodle for the week. If you have any questions, please email me. If you need accommodations, it is your responsibility to contact the instructors and let us know what the accommodations are. Plagiarism, please make sure that if you are citing other people's work that you give them credit. Plagiarism is a serious offense. Before class begins, be sure to read through the syllabus, familiarize yourself with the course content, procedures, and policies, log into Moodle, look at the class. I have already posted my introductory announcement and welcome to the class. What you need to do is create a video, upload it to YouTube so that we can all meet you. You will need to make arrangements to tutor a student within your grade band, whether you're K2, 3, 6. So that's up to you to find your student. Make sure this is a student that you can continuously tutor the length of the course. It's really hard to do a case study if you are constantly switching children. If you have questions, again, please email me. During the first week, please email me stating that you have read and understood the course expectations in this candidate guide. And if you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you.